Now, sometimes refinery issues cause gas prices to spike. Prices dropped a couple of cents overnight, but they do remain high, nearly $6 or more per gallon. And those steep prices have the intention of California's new watchdog group, tasked with making sure oil companies aren't price gouging Californians. KCAL assignment editor Mike Rogers at the desk now. Mike, this is the first time this new group has given any insight into the prices, right?
Yeah, that's right, Pat. And this recent hike in prices has really gotten their attention. They immediately started looking into this. Now, I want to show you just kind of where we've been statewide over the last month or so. The gas prices are up 52 cents a gallon from 1 month ago, and that's the statewide average. Pat, you mentioned that it's even higher here in the LA area, 25 cents higher than a week ago. Well, what's causing this? Well, this new watchdog group sent a letter to Governor Gavin Newsom today, along with the legislatures. I've got a copy of it. Here it is. And it talks about an increase in global crude oil prices. Obviously, we've been talking about the deal in Ukraine and Russia and how that's making the market volatile. But then here locally, this group says refinery maintenance events have caused decreases in supply. Basically, the refineries here in Southern California and in California as a whole have had maintenance issues, either planned or unplanned, that has reduced the amount of supply available, thus increasing demand. This watchdog group says that these refineries should have and should in the future do more to make sure that they have backup supplies, whether that means bringing in, importing more fuel or oil, or creating other opportunities for them to have more supply. They shouldn't be caught off guard like this and have a decrease in their supply. They even say that they are working with these companies to make sure that that is the case going forward. They also talk about an unusual spot market transaction that has added a very large impact on gas prices. Now, what that means is gas is publicly traded, and apparently one day a week ago, there was a trade that costed gas prices to go up 50 cents a gallon. They say that is a very unusual trade. It was the only trade of the day. And as we come back out here to the desk, apparently that was the only trade over the course of 3 days, which is apparently also unusual. And that's what caused the gas prices to stay high. It briefly dipped back down, but then apparently came right back up. The volatility in that also caused gas prices to rise. So, you know, Pat, we've always heard from gas companies or oil companies that, you know, marketing and prices overseas and what have you. This is the first time we're really hearing from this watchdog group saying, yeah, that is a factor, but also there are things that the refineries should have been doing here in California, and that includes making sure they had enough supply for when their refineries went offline for either planned or unplanned maintenance.
Okay, well, let's hope that they make some changes.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Mike.